Okay, so can anybody tell me what time it is? Well, it's Ozark Trail time. Okay, so this may be one of the last of the no-name Ozark Trail knives. It was on the display. I bought it. 7.6-inch folding knife, stainless steel blade. And what I think is kind of cool is they show you a picture of the blade in relation to the handle. And then on the back, I'm just going to hold this for a minute, and I want you to look at it. I want you to look at this picture really, really close. Maybe you can see it better like that. So look at this picture and tell me what is wrong with this picture. Comment below if you figure it out. And that's all I'm going to say about that. Let's get her open. Well, and that is what we got. A whole lot of handle for a little bit of knife. Oh, what little bit of blade we got there is hollow ground. Eek. And even worse, it is serrated. You know what? Every serrated knife that I have is sharp as a button. Why? Because I don't use them. I hate a serrated blade. I cannot stand a serrated blade. I have used a serrated blade. I was mowing commercially, Life Share Blood Center, and I needed to trim some bushes. And I had a Leatherman tool, and I used the serrated blade to saw through some limbs that was in my way, and quickly figured out that it worked even better if I used the saw on the Leatherman. And there's the one time I've used a serrated blade. I may have cut a rope once before with a serrated blade, and that's about it. I hate serrated blades. So, yeah, it don't drop. This is, I really can't think of good things to say. It's a polypropylene handle. It's just over a 3-inch blade. I mean, you got the handle there to do something. You just ain't got the blade to do it with. It is a tip down carry. And it's probably a medium weak clip. So this little jammer right here, I would say the lock does hold. I mean, to just general pressure. This right here is, okay, so this is what you get for Christmas in your stocking from someone who really doesn't like you. But they feel like they got to buy you a gift anyway. Okay. All right. Look, I'm gonna quit being mean. So this may be a leftover. I think this is a leftover from back in the day for Ozark Trail. I mean, this would be an okie dokie tackle box knife. Yeah, this would be a tackle box knife. That would be a good tackle box knife. Nothing. I would never recommend that you carry this. Matter of fact, I would recommend that you not carry this. I would recommend that this go in a tackle box or a kitchen drawer. Be perfectly fine for that. So, I apologize, but that's all I can say about this. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. Do not buy this knife unless you need a tackle box knife or a truck knife ish. There's way more better truck knives at this $7 price point. Say here, buy this for a truck knife or in anything, everyday carry or whatever. This fits the bill for all of it. This does not. So I just no, just no, just no. Let's don't say we did. How about that? Love you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.